Generations have been waiting for this moment, and it's finally here. For decades, families have been hoping, praying, and pushing for breakthroughs in Alzheimer's treatment. And today, we can celebrate a major step forward. The FDA has approved Leqembi as an under-the-skin autoinjector for early Alzheimer's disease. This means treatment may soon be as simple as a shot at home, instead of long, exhausting hours at the hospital. Imagine the relief, the time saved, the hope restored. This isn't just science. This is about protecting our memories, our families, and our future. Let's pause and remember why this matters. Alzheimer's doesn't just affect individuals. It affects generations. Grandparents who can't remember birthdays. Parents who lose their independence too soon. Children and grandchildren who carry the emotional and caregiving burden. For years, families have longed for more accessible treatments. And now we have something different, something that may give families more time together, with less stress and more dignity. But this breakthrough is more than just convenience. It may redefine how we think about fighting Alzheimer's. So what is Leqembi? Leqembi is a treatment that targets amyloid, those sticky proteins that clog the brain in Alzheimer's disease. By clearing amyloid, Leqembi aims to slow memory loss and preserve daily function. The big news? Until now, Leqembi required time-consuming 4 infusions. But with this new approval, it can be delivered by a simple under-the-skin injection, potentially even at home. That means less time traveling and waiting in hospitals, more independence for patients, relief for caregivers juggling work, family, and appointments. Think about the generations who've been impacted. Millions of families worldwide have experienced the heartbreak of watching a loved one slowly fade away. This approval doesn't cure Alzheimer's, but it gives something priceless: more moments, more conversations, more time to hold hands, share stories, and celebrate life's milestones. For many families, that extra time isn't just medical progress. It's a gift, a chance to write more memories into the family story. Let's break down the science simply. Alzheimer's builds up in the brain through amyloid plaques. Leqembi helps clear them, slowing the disease's march forward. But here's what makes this approval so meaningful. It changes the delivery. Instead of clinic-based infusions, patients could now receive injections at home. Similar to how diabetics use insulin pens. That's a massive shift in the experience of care. Science isn't just about the lab. It's about how people actually live with the treatment. Of course, we must also ask, will this be accessible to everyone? Will insurance cover it? Will rural families have access? These are important questions. But history shows us something powerful. Once innovation begins, it paves the way for more progress. Generations before us fought for cancer treatments, vaccines, and HIV medications. Each breakthrough started with a step, and eventually became widely available. Leqembi's approval is that step for Alzheimer's. It opens the door for more innovation, and hopefully for broader access over time. Every 3 seconds, someone in the world develops dementia. This approval isn't just American news, it's global hope. Already, families around the world are celebrating. A mother in her 60s who feared losing her independence. A father who wants to see his children graduate. A grandparent who wants to meet their great-grandchild. These are real stories, real families, real hope. And this is just the beginning. What comes next may redefine how we fight Alzheimer's for generations. For generations, Alzheimer's has cast a shadow on families. But today, that shadow feels a little lighter. Leqembi's approval as an autoinjector is more than science. It's a promise. A promise of more time, more laughter, more love, and more memories. So here's what I want to know from you. What memory do you want to protect most? Is it family dinners? Vacations? Holidays? Share your answer in the comments, because your story might inspire someone else to keep fighting. If you believe this breakthrough matters, please like this video, subscribe for more health updates, and share it with someone you love. Alzheimer's touches generations, but together, so does hope.